Hello friends! In this video I'm going to teach you how to log into your account page with the Trade Broker board. At the top, by clicking on this option, you select your account by clicking on the Transfer section. You will enter this section, which is an internal transfer, and by going to General in this section, you will select your account type and enter the desired account destination and the desired amount in this section. And to characterize this transaction, this operation is performed by clicking on the Submit button. We will provide you with explanations about this soon. And by clicking on Deposit, you will be taken to the Deposit section, where you can select your account and view your balance. With this option, you can also change the language, and in this section, you select the desired network. And you start making deposits, and we will make a video about this for you soon. By clicking on the video section, you will enter the extraction section. By clicking on this section, you select your network type, and by entering the desired information and pressing OK, you can complete this operation. We will soon create a video on this topic. In this section, you will see information about your net equity, such as daily profit and loss, and total cash available for investment. In the middle of the page, you will see information about your live accounts and your temperature, and by hovering over the option, you can trade. You will enter the Thrift platform section, and we will soon make a video for you about this. And by clicking on the Deposit section, you enter the Deposits area. At the bottom of the page, after your first deposit activity, your transaction history will be activated for you. In this part, you will have access to the transfer, withdrawal, and name editing sections where you can enter your name and change it by clicking Submit. The next option is the Change Account Password option, which allows you to change your account password by entering a new password and repeating that password. Your password should include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and it should be between 8 to 15 characters. And by clicking on this option, you will save the password. You click on Open Another Account, and you choose your account type, currency, leverage, and the amount that is available to you. Use all the uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and you choose the platform you want, and click on Next. And as we can see, this account has been added to our Accounts section. At the top of the page, by clicking on this option, you can view information like the amounts in your account, and by clicking on this option, you can expand your menu, and by clicking on your profile, you also gain access to your profile section, wallet address, and account language, which you can change. And by clicking on your profile, and also in this section, you will have access to your profile, wallet address, and account language, which you can change. By clicking on this option, you can change your account theme from dark to light. And by clicking on Logout, you will log out of your account. We click on our profile, And in this section, you will see information about your account, such as name, surname, phone number, etc. In this section, you can click on this option to change your password, and as you changed it, you can perform this operation. And also by clicking on wallet address, you can select the desired network and enter the desired wallet address in this field and save it by clicking on Save. And in the calculator section, you should see the calculator section where you can enter the desired grid and the desired width of the equity block. In the SED, you select Libre, Lot, and Buy or Sell, and by clicking on Calculate, you will see the results at the bottom, and in the Research section, you will have access to website guides such as technical views, economics of this site, Market Boss, featured ideas, alpha generation, and news. When we enter the technical views section, you will see information of various widths that are divided into categories: Forex, crypto, stocks, indices, and commodities are divided. And by clicking on the ideas section, you will see various ideas. And also in the time frame section, you can select the desired time frame, which is divided between intraday, daily, and weekly. In the trend section, you will see different trends, such as bullish, bearish, and neutral. And by clicking on Economic Insight, you enter the economic calendar section, where by clicking on this option, you go back to previous events. And by setting this section, you can change the date of the economic calendar, as well as by clicking on this section and this section. You can specify the desired year and also the specific time. And in the filter section, you can select the desired filter and click on this option to reset it. At the bottom, you can select the desired country, which is among the group of 7 European countries, such as Germany or France. And you can also select all countries. In the market section, you enter the markets area where you can choose between stocks and stocks. In the news desk section, you enter the news area, where by clicking on this option, you can select your desired filter. And by clicking on this option, you refresh the news. By clicking on New Theme, you choose a name for your theme and then click on Add. And by uploading the content here, the information will appear. In this section, you can change the symbols from table to bubble. You can convert by clicking on this option. And in this section, you can select the countries, sectors, and currencies. Additionally, by clicking on the bubble color, you can change the colors of the bubbles. In the currencies section, you can choose a category along with the bubble size and bubble color. In the currencies section, you can choose a category, as well as the bubble size and bubble color. By changing this option, you can resize this page. And at the top, you can search. In the featured ideas section, you enter the special ideas area where various currencies are listed, along with information such as bullish and bearish. also the desired width, plus a chart. By clicking on the watch section, you can add this chart to your watch list section, and by clicking on this section, you can convert the chart to full screen. You enter the alpha generation section, where by clicking you can download the MetaTrader platform. You can also see the trading guide at the bottom. By clicking on sections like Technical Views, you can see the Technical Views guide. And in addition to Economic Insight, Market Open, Crowd Insight, and Featured Ideas. And by clicking on News, as we explained, you will be taken to the news page. In the Platforms section, you will see the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which you can access by clicking on links like this. By clicking on this link, you select the desired system and download MetaTrader for that system. In the Trive Social section, you enter the Trive Social area, where by selecting how to start, you can create a social account on Trive. That provided you with a tutorial on this topic. The next section is the download section, where by clicking in this area, you can download the Trive app for your mobile phone. And the next option is the Create Profile option, where you can see the instructions for creating this section. By clicking on this option, you can link your MetaTrader account to Trive. The next option is to link MetaTrader to Trive, where you can see the linking guide in this section. The next option is the Copy Trader feature option. The next option is the Copy Trader option, where you can see the Copy Trader guide in this section. The next option is the Become Provider option, where you can see the provider guide in this section. The next option is the Partnership option. By clicking on Become a Partner, you can request a partnership. At the bottom of the page, you will see the WhatsApp option. By clicking on this option, you can click on Continue in Chat to enter the Trive bot. And also, by clicking on this option, you will connect with Sport, Trive, which by clicking on this option, you can send it to Sport if you send it. Friends, this was the tutorial on working with the slave broker Thrift. Good luck.